Hello and welcome to another tutorial in PHP with me, Ngonga Daniel Ngosa. We will today look at how you can turn your PC into a local server that you can use to develop without paid hosting. You could either use WAMP or MAMP, but for these tutorials we are going to work with XAMPP. And let's go ahead and close those. So we will work with XAMPP from apachefriends.org. So go ahead and download what will be appropriate for you. In this case, for Windows, in my case. And, you could check out other parts of this website like the community and add-ons. I would recommend you check out the add-ons. There are add-ons that could come in handy for you, like an add-on for WordPress, Joomla, and others. So go ahead and download XAMPP for Windows and install it. And you could pause the video here if you like and go on and install. Okay, so I'm assuming now you have XAMPP installed. And now you will have this panel, the control panel, XAMPP control panel. This basically allows you to control the services that come with XAMPP, like Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, and whatnot. These two, Apache and MySQL, need to be running for you to develop PHP properly, especially Apache, because that's what your PHP would be running on. MySQL is a database system. We'll look at that later on in a later tutorial, but we need to have those running. When they're not running, they look something like this, and when they are running, they will look like that. So Apache is running on port 8080 and MySQL is running on port 3306. You can access your control panel from your programs, from your start menu on Windows. Now, let's look at local host, and let's check on our installation of XAMPP. Localhost. You do not need to type in any domains or anything like that. Just type in localhost, and there you have a welcome message. Welcome to XAMPP for Windows. Yada yada yada. So these are some of the add-ons that I was talking about. You could take a look at those in your own time. You could also access this page by typing in the address 127.0.0.1. It still takes you to the same page. Here, it should bring you back right to this page. Here, you will have PHP info. This tab here should give you information about your PHP installation, and PHP My Admin is sort of like your workbench for PHP. In the next tutorial, we'll be looking at how we can create a PHP file right here on your computer and run it with our local host and save it in our htdocs folder. But for now, this is all we will do, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Sorry about that.